Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back again with another simple and easy bun that you can do at home. You want to see how I did that? Please do stay tuned. While you edit, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also give this video a huge beautiful thumbs up. So you want to go ahead and tie your hair with a ribbon or a wool or a rubber band, whichever one that is simple for you to use. You want to go ahead and use that. You want to go ahead and take your styling gel and then apply it on your hair. Make sure to apply this styling gel. If you're using the soft and free styling gel, make sure to apply it on clean, grease-free hair. It works best when your hair doesn't have any kind of oils or any kind of products. So you want to go ahead and take a comb to rearrange your hair. This makes your styling gel application clean, and then when you are done so doing, you want to go ahead and take your brush and do your edges. So today I'm gonna go for these kind of edges. So it's quite simple to do these edges because it's your old school kind of edges. These edges, I believe a lot of people can do them now, but if you still struggle, this is how you do them, guys. Watch closely, repeat the video if you have to, but I feel like these are simple now because there are these ones that are in now with curls and everything. I'm like, yo, those ones are bizarre. So you want to go ahead and take your hair dryer and dry your hair with hot heat. So I'm gonna be using Navy braid today, 2 packets, but I'm not gonna use the whole 2 packets. You want to take the first packet and then do the ends, and then when you are done doing your ends, you want to go ahead and split the 1 packet into 2, exactly as I am doing. And then when you are done, you want to go ahead and braid the half of the packet, exactly as I am doing. You want to do like a rough, what do you call this, a rough braid, exactly as I'm doing. You braid and then pull the sides, braid and then pull the sides, just like that. You want to make sure that you do 2 of these and then do extra one, the tight one, that will be your booster to boost the bun. So you want to go ahead and braid your hair exactly as I am doing, And then when you are done, you want to go ahead and wrap around the booster that you have made. And then you want to go ahead and sew in the booster exactly as I am doing. So you want to go ahead and sew in the first braid that you did. You sew it in like exactly as I am doing. So yeah, you sew it in like that. And then when you are done, you wanna hide the little tail that is left by just rolling it exactly as I am doing. And then now you want to go ahead and sew in the second braid that you did. This will complete the whole look, the whole bun or the whole look. So yeah, this is how you do at the back, but this is entirely up to you. It depends on how you want to wrap the bun. This is how I decided to wrap it. You can just wrap it however you feel like is gonna work best for you, or whichever way that is easiest for you. But this one for me was simple, so yeah. And then when you are done, this is how the bun should look. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and also personalize the notification bell so that every time I post a new video you get notified.